Well, hello there, muggles, and Merry Vlogmas to you. I have a video that's completely and totally random, but gonna be a lot of fun for us nonetheless. Last season, December 2022, I ordered this box from the Wizarding Trunk, which is a magical wizard Harry Potter themed subscription box. And this is their holiday themed one, their special edition, and I got it, and then by the time it actually arrived, I ended up not having time to open it on camera, so because we were traveling for the holidays. So I told my husband, just stick it downstairs and I'll do something with it next year. Well, next year, believe it or not, has finally arrived, so you and I are going to unbox this very festive Harry Potter themed box right now together. I have no recollection of what's in it, so it's gonna be a nice fun little Harry Potter themed surprise for all of us. Obviously, this means that you cannot actually get this box anymore, so it's just for funsies, but this is what the box looks like. I can't wait to see what's inside. So we're going to start with this, which now I'm recalling that they usually do fun book covers, right? So I have one that's like a Defense Against the Dark Arts themed one that is currently the cover for like a self-help book that I have. And now we have this one, which is, oh wait, here we go. Broom Care, a sweeping guide to broom care. Look at that. What I love about these is I put them on books that I don't plan on reading anytime soon, and so I just end up with Harry Potter looking books on my bookshelf. So we've got that, pretty fabulous. Oh my goodness, the Harry Potter geek in me is loving this start to my day. Oh, how funny. It's a pair of socks, but one is a Ron sweater and one is a Harry sweater. I actually love this. This is so fun. Oh, this appears to be a little bit dinged. Oh no, I'll have to see if I can fix it. But the tin is very, very cute. It's from Ballywicks, which is the Wizarding Trunk's kind of, it's their offbeat brand of honeydukes. And what we have here is hot chocolate mix. So it's in the chocolate frog-like container, but it is hot chocolate mix in here. Now, of course, it's questionable as to if this actual hot chocolate is still good because it's been sitting downstairs for a year, but the tin is super, super cute. So this little package here says, use it well. I love that. If you know, you know. It's so soft and silky, just like you would imagine the invisibility cloak being. Let me guess, it's a pillowcase, isn't it? It's a pillowcase that's supposed to be the invisibility cloak. And it's soft and it's silky. How fun is that? What a great idea. Got a nice little box next. This is so fun and festive. And it's the gifts, right? So are you sensing the theme? You've got like the candy as a gift. You've got the sweaters from Mrs. Weasley as a gift. You've got the gift from Dumbledore, the invisibility cloak. So it's themed around the gifts that they have been given over the years. We've got this little ornament guy. This little ornament guy. Oh, he's a wizarding chess piece. He's a wizarding chess piece. That's what he is. A little baggy bag. That's always fun. Really exciting things come in small pouches, am I right? Oh dear. Oh my gosh, it's a pin of the 3 broomsticks. How stinking adorable is that? That's really, really cute. Covered in snow and everything to fit the Christmas theme, of course. There are so many things in here, all of which I've forgotten about. Oh my gosh. All right, this comes in this box right here, and it's got styrofoam. Styrofoamed things are always exciting too. What? Oh my goodness, it's a snow globe, but it's Hagrid's bike with the sidecar with a Christmas tree in it. How adorable. Who comes up with this? Oh my goodness. We have another box, my friends. We have another box. How do I open said box? No idea. Do I need it? No. Am I excited about it? Yes. It's a nice little tin mug. Look at that, with a beautiful scape of the owls flying around in a snowy Christmas tree landscape. How lovely. What a nice little way to enjoy your hot cocoa. Bonus, it's a very light mug for people that care about the weight of their mugs like I do. Like, that's a very light mug. Only the purest of potions, Pure Blood Apothecary peppermint leaves. They're fake. They're pretend peppermint leaves for your potions collection. So basically the point is you have the box, right? So the box is what sits on your Harry Potter shelf and looks all cute. Each box comes with a little key ring that is literally a key. Let's see if we can't figure out what this is the key to. I cannot. It kind of looks like maybe it's the Yule Ball, but I'm not sure. We'll see what the little form says when I'm done here. We have another little velvet pouch with a coin. It is a coin for the Hogshead. Redeem for 1 complimentary beverage during holiday break. How cute is that? Hefty coin too. And then the last thing, I remember what this is. I don't remember what it looks like, but I remember what it is. And I don't own one of these, and now I do. It's a wand. This is making me a lot happier than it should. Oh, y'all, I have never actually held a wand. Like, I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and I was like, okay, Hermione, okay. I'm so happy. My Harry Potter, I did not know that this is what I needed to have just a little moment of delight today, to hold a wand. Swish and flick. Swish and flick. I'm so happy. So anyway, this is a special wand that was designed specifically for the holiday box. So it's got like gold stars and this gold thing on the top, and it's got some green interwoven in between the wood. Of course, this is all just painted, but still, it's gorgeous, and it's a holiday themed wand. But holidays be darned, this is gonna be on my Harry Potter shelf all year round. Oh my gosh. There's another thing at the bottom. It is a fold it yourself chocolate frogs container, and it has the card of Merlin in it. Oh, this is just spectacular. Oh, wait, there's more. Oh, there's more. There's so much more that I do not have time for. The Holiday Keep Collecting Box. Number 1, the Do-It-Yourself Guide to Broom Care. We saw that. The complimentary beverage coin. The coin came out of your Christmas cracker in the Great Hall and can only be redeemed in the village during the holiday season. The special edition sweets box with the Merlin card, which is what I just found. Enjoy assembling this exclusive Wizarding confectionery box produced for those in attendance in the Yule Ball. And then it gives you a website where you can find assembly instructions. The motorbike snow globe. What better way to transport a Christmas tree than in the sidecar of a motorbike? Number 5 is the peppermint leaves potion ingredient. Number 6 is the holiday greeting cards, which are, oh, they're actually cards with envelopes. Look at this. Look at this. So we have Buckbeak, we have the pixies at a Christmas tree, and we have a snake at the Christmas tree. Oh my goodness, how cool. And they even come with envelopes. That is lovely. Number 9 is the Owl Mail tin mug. Number 10 is the Wizarding Pub pin. Number 11 is the finest Wizarding cocoa and tin. Number 12 is the holiday wand, which I think is my favorite thing in the box, quite honestly. Number 13 is the chess piece ornament. I was right. Number 14 is the invisibility pillow cover. And number 15, which is this, is the staying at school for the holidays form. So this is staying at school for the holidays, and it's just this little piece of paper that has names, and then did you get permission, yes or no. Oh my goodness. What a fun holiday themed box. I hope you found a little bit of joy in this muggle moment as I did. This was, oh, what a great way to get Vlogmas kicked off with a little bit of Harry Potter themed festive fun. Now, as I mentioned, unfortunately, this is last year's box, which means this is no longer available, but the Wizarding Trunk does have active subscriptions happening. So if you liked what you saw here, there are products to be found that are very similar in the Wizarding Trunk boxes. I currently don't subscribe, but for every box that I have subscribed, I think I got 3 in total, I was not disappointed. They were all really, really fun. I got the Halloween one, the Christmas one, and then one regular one, and they were all so much fun. So if you are a Harry Potter fan, you might want to check them out. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just saw this in my basement and was like, I have to film this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Vlogmas, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.